Number 5. The Tigard City Park has a jogging path along its perimeter. The rectangular-shaped park measures 0.45 miles by 0.75 miles when measuring inside the jogging path. If the path is 2 yards wide, even at the corners, find the total area of the jogging path. Alright, so what we can do here is find the area of each of these, just find the area like with parts. So it says that this part right here is 0.45 miles. This is 0.75 miles. I'm actually going to convert these to yards because it says that the path is 2 yards across or 2 yards wide, just for the sake of keeping all the units the same. So if it's 0.45 miles, 1 mile is 1,760 yards. So 0.45 times 1760, so that's 792 yards on this side. And 0.75 of 1,760, well, that's 1,320 yards. So the first thing we can do is just find the area of these rectangles. We have 4 rectangles in these areas, and to find those areas, it's just basic length times width. So for this rectangle right here, the area of that will be 792 times the width, so it's just length times width, and the width is 2 yards. The path is 2 yards wide. 792 times 2, and then it's also the same on the other side, so it's another 792 times 2, so I'm just going to multiply that by 2, because there's 2 equal spaces. And then on the sides, on these bits, there's lengths of 1,320 by 2, and there's also 2 of those. So 1,320 times 2 times 2. So altogether, that is 792 times 4 plus 1,320 times 4 is 8,448 square yards. 8,448 square yards. But then we've left out a little bit. We actually have these quarter circles on the end that we need to take into account. So we have 4 quarter circles, so altogether that's just going to be a single circle. It says that even at the corners the path is 2 yards wide. So you can take that as saying that the radius of these quarter circles are all 2 yards. So we have 4 quarter circles, so I'm just going to imagine that they're 1 circle. So the area of that will just be pi times 2 squared, or 4 pi square yards. So if I add that to the 8,448, so plus 4 pi, we get this many square yards, 8,461 about. So let's see if that's an answer choice. And it doesn't look like it, but the reason is that all these answers are in square feet. So we just have to use the conversion 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. So that just means we have to multiply our answer by 9. So times 9. So we get an answer of 76,145 square feet. 76,145, and that's answer choice D. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.